Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools. Open your DAW, load a granular or sampler plugin, and import 3 percussive and ambient sand samples. Once done, set a target tempo range between 60 and 120 BPM to preserve the slow, gritty feel. Make sure the samples are trimmed and warped to beat grid. This lets you slice and trigger precise grains. Now create a dedicated track for grains and a separate return for reverb so you can shape texture without muddying rhythm. Next, you sculpt the sound. Load grains with short attacks and grain sizes between 50 and 200 milliseconds to create a sand-like patter. Then layer the grains with a low-pass filter around 6.8 kHz and add gentle saturation for bite. This keeps the texture warm. Use an LFO on pitch and automate grain position to introduce micro-variations. You want rhythmic irregularity, not noise. Once these moves are in place, bounce a loop and listen critically for pocket and swing adjustments. To finish, balance levels and sidechain the sand tempo track to the kick with 2.6 dB of ducking so the rhythm breathes. Then add gated reverb and a subtle sync delay to give depth without smearing transients. Make fine adjustments to grain density, filter envelope, and timing to lock groove. If it sounds cluttered, reduce grain density or shorten the grain envelope. Alternatively, tighten the low pass and lower reverb wetness. That single tweak usually clears mud and restores clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.